Hi guys, welcome to our brand new HitPaw FotorPea tutorial series. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the advanced image restoration feature. I'll walk you through a step-by-step workflow and help you understand which model to use and when, so you can get the best results for different types of photos. The first model is all-round restoration. If you're not sure what type of photo you're dealing with, for example, an image that includes both people and landscapes, and you just want a quick preview of the overall restoration result, this model is a great place to start. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for fast, general restoration. The second one is advanced restoration. This model works best for black and white or heavily faded photos. It uses AI to intelligently enhance details and automatically add color, bringing old and damaged images back to life with a fresh, vibrant look. When your photo is a single portrait, the key question is whether you care more about facial consistency or damage repair. If consistency matters most, single portrait restoration is the ideal choice. It can restore the portrait with 100% accuracy, keeping facial features, proportions, and expressions exactly the same, while significantly improving clarity. If the portrait has obvious creases, scratches, or stains, then you'll want to use single portrait damage repair. This model is especially suitable for scan paper photos with physical damage. It focuses on repairing cracks and blemishes without beautification or colorization. If your photo contains multiple people, don't miss advanced multi-person restoration. It's perfect for family photos, graduation pictures, and group shots. This model prevents individual faces from being over-processed, ensuring everyone looks clear, natural, and well-balanced. Finally, we have multi-person coloring. This model adds color to black and white group photos, restoring natural and consistent skin tones across all subjects, without looking unnatural or out of place. That's everything for today's tutorial. I hope this video gives you a solid introduction to these restoration models. To truly understand their deeper use cases, hands-on practice is key. After all, we're not just restoring photos, we're restoring the memories behind them. Our next tutorial is coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.